Hello, it's a nice time to run a very short tutorials this hour. My name is Mr. Elijah. I got a crypto trader. Well, your regular uncle coins from. Yes, straight to the business of it. I will show us how to trade futures, particularly perpetual futures on Binance from your desktop. So what you need to do first, as a new trader or someone new on trading Binance, first you need to do is to go to your wallet, take your cursor to your wallet, and when you're here in the wallet, you get to deposit money in your spot account, which is the wallet you have with Binance. The moment you create an account with Binance, you fund your Binance via Bitcoin, any of these options, Binance Coin, Ethereum, US Tether. But we're more concerned about US Tether. Why? Because when you have deposited money via any coin of your choice, there are many options. You can make deposit to any of these options, and then when you have made a deposit, you swap or you trade or you sell those coins. You just have to convert that coin to US Tether. So when you have converted the money to US Tether, this same US Tether you will transferring to the perpetual futures. So, and this is where you do the transfer. You can see where my cursor is pointing. So if you have done the swapping or the transfer, the trading, whatever you do to convert whatever you have, any other coin, into US Tether, you're transferring that US Tether to your perpetual wallet. It's called perpetual wallet. Yeah, there are many options here, but we're concerned about this. So when you have picked this, you now come down here. The next option is to select this particular option, which is the USDT. It's a stable coin. The minimum you can transfer is $10. You can transfer as many as as much as you want to trade with. And when you have written this or typed this, the next thing is to click confirm. Yes. So when you click confirm, the money will automatically be transferred from your spot to your futures account, right? And when you click on your futures account right here, you will see the money you have transferred. So if you're a first time user, stuff like that, you see where the road open account, you click open account, you agree with their terms and conditions, and it's done. It's done. So well, I have made some deposit before, and I have trades that are running already. We'll get down here so that you actually see what is going on there. So next, after you have transferred the money to your futures wallet, the next thing you need to do is to come down here and click on this drop down, perpetual futures, right? When you have clicked on that, the next thing you need to do, when you are a member or subscriber of CoinsFarm, and a premium member where we send our signals, and at time we will send you even to the free CoinsFarm group, then you follow our signals, right? You come down here. This is where you select the coin, right? When you select the coin, the next thing you do, you select the coin. You select the coin we post. Now, for example, we posted about the latest posting today, yesterday. Can I see if I can find that? I think we posted. Well, these are some of the profits our members are making. You can see them. Good profit. So if you're not a member of CoinsFarm, trying to contact the admin and say I can be a member of CoinsFarm Premium. So these are some of the motivational stuffs we posted. So I think our latest posting for today was link. So for example, when you post something like this, the next thing you need to do is to go and look for that coin. And here is the coin. So what do? You come down here, right? You look for link. What you need to do, you type in link. Doesn't matter whether it's your phone you're trading from, but this particularly is for those that use desktop. And when you've done that, you click this. right? And when you click it, at what price did we say you should buy? We pushed it and we said buy. We said you can long at 798 to 805. So 798, where is it now? It's 796. Well, from what I'm seeing from this trade, uh, I think it might go a bit down, or maybe it could range around this point until the moving averages get to that point and the market shoots up, because this is a coin that's going to shoot up, right? Yeah, no one can tell you when that will happen, but from a technical analysis, we can gauge mathematically that this coin is going to shoot up very soon. Well, to the business of the day. So when you've selected the coin, you click on it, it populates on the chart. This is the chart. And when you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to come down to this point. This is where you do actually buying and selling. You place your order on this side of the interface of the screen. You click on the limit, that is the buy. You're buying. When you click on the market price, you're buying at the market price, prevailing market price, which is the current price. The market is selling or buying at the moment. Right now, when the price is not yet there, or you want to choose your product, you choose your own price. Well, you come here, you choose your price. We actually say 798. So if you're buying at 796, you're buying at a very good price. Yes. And so we actually recommend don't use more than 6%, at most 10% of your assets of your portfolio. So this is where you actually choose the percentage of what you are willing to spend from your wallet. You can see we have $470 here, $470. So you can choose from this. Let me say I'm choosing 2% or 3% of my money. And 3% is giving me the cost. You can see the cost here. This way you actually see how much it's going to cost you. 3% of this is actually $14. So if I'm picking $14 of my money to actually buy and step into this trade. So right now I feel that this market is going to go down a bit. So what I do, well, the signal actually said buy, it's even below the buy order based on the signals. Well, there's nothing wrong with them wanting to buy lower, right? So I may think, okay, I want to buy at 7.6 instead of buying at 7.9. So I choose to buy at 7. What do I say, right? Right here, this particular point. Well, alright, I can just follow the trade. It says 796. It's a good buy. Why? Right now the market is saying 797 stops. So I picked this 3%. And what next? I've seen the cost $14. What next do I need to do? Click, boom. Click this. Now a confirmation window comes up and asks you to confirm your trade. And this all is asking you, are you sure of this price? Are you sure of this quantity? You can see the quantity here and what it's gonna cost you to take this trade. It's a contract, right? Now when I click long, boom, my order has been submitted. You can see it shows there. And so what did I do? Actually say I'm buying. You can see the order line has been placed on the screen here. I can see. So when the price gets to my choice price, it's executed, right? Now what I just did now came here right now at the open window, at the open orders, because probably it has not been executed. I expect it to be executed as soon. You can see the price at which I'm entering the market is 7.96. Right now the market is 7.98966. So the moment the market gets to where I actually want to be, this is where the market is, 7.977.978, but I'm entering at 966. So the moment the market gets to my price, 7.966, to be executed, and when it's executed, it comes here. Now you can see trade I've actually placed. These are already ongoing trades. I've made profits. Some of them are profits, some of them lost. Now this is where you actually where you are exiting out of the market after you place a trade. Now I have chosen to exit my trade in Ripple at, it's going to be a long time, probably at 25%. I click limit, execute it. right? What has been placed. The next, I come here. What is this? Texas. At what price do I want to sell my Texas? At what price did I enter? Enter at 3.026. Now, do you know this is my liquidation price? When market continues, it is a short trade. A short trade in the sense that when the market is coming down, I intend to make money as the market is dropping from this particular coin. So I feel this market is going to drop down, and that's what is happening. Now, I have made just 1.18%. Someone can just be okay with that. And that's equivalent in dollars by the side. And so I can choose, I am selling at 2.6. That's where I'm exiting. I can click this, right? Forget the errors you're seeing there. Well, the next one is Binance coin. You don't have to enter many trades the way I've just entered. No, I'm just doing this to show as an example how to actually edit your order after you have placed a trade, right? Here you can actually choose. I choose to exit the market at what price? No. See, that trade was just closed. Why? Because it's a mistake, but I just did on purpose for you to see. I just placed a trade at 17 and stuff in profit. Yeah, in profit. It's in profit. So it's a trade I can actually enter again. It was free of status. I closed that trade in profit. So I can come back here. Now, don't make that deliberate mistake I did. What you should do, always change the price you want to exit the market first. And this is a buy order at what price you want to come out at 3 point stuff. Let me see 2.0. I entered at 2.3. I want to come out at 3.0. I click this. Now when you make a mistake, to click this, it will close your trade automatically, whether in profit or in loss, it closes automatically. So I have closed that trade on Binance coin, which I'm going to place again, but this time around I'm going to wait for it to drop a little. So my trade in link has not been executed yet because I expect the market to drop to where it wanted, and then it picks it, and boom, I'm in the market, right? So these are trades that are open. I have placed whether I want to sell or want to buy. The moment I do my limit here, I set my limit here, that's my exit point. It takes them automatically to the open orders to show them as sell, right? Good. Those are long orders that are long. When I put my exit price, they come here under the open orders at sell. When I take this, which is a short trade, a selling trade, when the moment I set my limits here, it comes here. You see under Texas, it comes here and show it as bar, right? Good. So if you remember for class, I expect you to understand this very well. So the same thing I'm doing here under the buy can also be replicated under the sell, right? It's the same process, just it's a reverse. All you need to do is just click sell, whatever you choose, whatever percentage you choose, click sell, boom, it's gone, and it comes in. So that's the short tutorials on how to trade futures from Binance. I hope this helps. Thank you.